a negative emotion like anger. Similarly, attachment. Similarly, jealousy. So you should sit down and then figure out how destructive attachment is, how destructive jealousy is, how destructive negative competition is, and so forth. Right? So when we talk about cultivating positive emotions, removing negative emotions, it's like making friendship. You know, the more you spend time with somebody, the more you see the good qualities of that person, then you become very close, you become friend. The more you spend time with somebody, the more you see the ugly side of that person, then you develop this wish to distance yourself from this person. I have to be very careful about this person. So similarly with the negative emotions, you should see the disadvantages, the destructiveness of the negative emotions. Right? The more you are able to see the positive qualities of loving kindness and compassion and so forth, the more you feel like developing this. So to summarize, what I'm really saying is, the one thing that we need to do, all of us, for our immediate happiness, long-term happiness, or your Dharma practice, whatever you call, one thing that is really important is to find out all these negative emotions, highlight their bad qualities, destructive qualities, right? Because these negative emotions will destroy you, destroy your peace. These negative emotions will destroy all sentient beings, their happiness. Negative emotions will destroy your ethics, your morality, everything. So fighting with the negative emotions, that's our only responsibility. There are many auxiliary supporting practices, but the target is, we talk about cultivating bodhicitta, cultivating wisdom, understanding, emptiness. For what? Fighting with these negative emotions. Right? So that's important. If you are doing that, wherever you are doing good practice. If you are not doing that, whether you look like a monk or a tantric practitioner or whatever, you know, so long as you leave the negative emotions intact within you, you are not doing Dharma practice. Right? That is important to know.